So welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video we're going to actually just now I ordered, okay, it's a new microphone. I don't have a microphone right now, so I'm using phone's microphone itself. So I ordered a Grenaro Grenaro mic. It's a J series J13 wireless one. Wait, I'll show you guys the one which I ordered just now. So in Flipkart it is somewhere around 2000, okay, but in their official website, Grenaro website, if you go J series, okay, in product J series, this is the one. This will cost you somewhere around 1800, okay. After discount I ordered it, so it costed me somewhere 1800. Once I get that, let's see how that is. I have seen few videos regarding the same microphone, and they're like there are 3 levels of noise cancellations and all. Let's see. Once it comes, I'll continue this video.
One eternity later.
Yes. So I got the parcel, guys. See, I got the parcel. Let's open this. Yes. And here it is. Like. What else do we have? We got this, okay. Along with that, we have one pretty big textbook. I guess this is the cable, charging cable, and one it's a warranty card, and one warranty card here. That's it. That's what you get in I think that's what you get inside a box. Yeah, it's the cable. USB to Type C cable. Okay, there are two cables, guys. Okay, USB to Type C and Type C to Type C. Two Type C. I don't know why we have like this. This one we get. Okay, I'll just plug it in and then let's see. Let's check the audio quality. Yes. So I'm using the same microphone right now. Okay. Now it is at level 2. Okay. Now coming to the it's in charging actually. Okay. You'll get 2 slots. Okay. You get 2 slots. This one and and one for here. Okay, 2 slots, and here you will have the receiver which I'm connected to my phone right now. So through which I'm recording right now. And what else to say? Okay, so on one charge you can expect up to 8 hours in this, and this battery will this case will last up to 60 hours if you're continuously charging or something. 60 hours this will last. And here, okay, interestingly, here one functionality is there, that's you have Type C right here. Okay, here you have Type C, and in the Flipkart I saw, okay, in manual it is not mentioned. Okay, it's not mentioned here. In Flipkart what they're saying is through this you can check the real-time audio, like connect a earphone, Type C earphone, and connect it to your ears, and you can check whether audio is proper or not, something like that. That I don't know. Okay, I don't have a Type C earphone, so I'm not going to check that. So the basic functionality, charging good, range is good, we checked it. Okay, I'll go. I think it's still working, and there's a fan running behind me, so there are a few other noises also. So this is what you can expect from this. And this is at level 2. Okay, so if you click on here, see, now it's at level 3. Okay, level 3. Now again if I click, it will go back to right. Now it's level 1. Again click level 2. and again level 3, level 1, level 2. Level 2 works fine actually. There will be a bit, it's not that, what to say, expensive also something, but it's work, it works guys. For 1000 on their website you can get it for 1800. On Flipkart it was showing somewhere around 2000. On Amazon somewhere in that range only. So go for their official website. Otherwise I'll just link the buying link somewhere here if you don't trust their courier, because it took a while to reach me actually. In Flipkart or something it would have been within 2 3 days, and through their official website it did take some long time. So go for Flipkart or something. Okay, just make sure you're buying the original one. This is Grenaro J13. Okay, there are other versions also. In some of them, you get only one receiver and one mic. I got the two mic setup one, so just make sure that. Okay, so that's a quick review about this mic, guys. So I'll update how this thing is working on a later. I should learn how to use my camera right. So guys, so that's a small video. Now I'm going to shoot one more because now I have mic. So guys, bye.